Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I just want to cover this Bosch Induction Hub and take you through some of the features that it has. First of all, it's a nice and small hub, not that expensive, and it gets the job done. So all the controls that you find are here. So this is the on button, this is the temperature button, and the plus and the minus to heat up the speed, and there's a boost option, and then there's a timer option. So the timer option will come to use, let's say you put something in the pan and it's going to take 5 minutes, press that, set the timer, and it's 5. And these little buttons control each side of the hub. Okay, so this being the biggest, second biggest, third, and then the smallest. So I've got a pan here and I've got some water here, and I'm going to show off how this works. It's pretty simple. So you switch it on by hitting that button, right, and it's on, and you must select which side you want. So there you go, I've selected that side. It has actually detected this. I've had a pan on this side, that's why it actually went to 0. And then I just want to basically say, okay, what speed I want. If I press the plus straight away, it's number 9. Number 9 is the highest that you could go, and pretty much it will heat up the water faster than you'll heat it up in your kettle. So I want to show you while that is on, if you could switch on another one. So whilst that is on, press anything that you like. You see that is now switched on, that one, and you can put anything here. And because it's an induction hub, you can touch that. It's easy to clean once you get the job. Once you're done with it, just wipe it off. It's not going to be that hot. And you see it didn't recognize that I had anything on it, and that switched off. So this is the second one, it switches itself off. It's the third one, and so forth. So let's say you've got this down to 3, 4. Okay, let's just switch it off. Let's say on this one here, I want to go down. So I've gone down here, but I just want to give it a quick boost. Press that, the B will appear, and all of that means is a quick boost. Did you hear the sound of that? And as you can already see, the little bubbles have started to come in, and we're not even 2 minutes into this video and the water's already starting to boil. That's how fast this thing is going to be, and you can see the water is just going to boil up any minute. So that's how quick you can make your food using an induction hub, and why this is a way forward. So let's just say I want it done in 1 minute. Switch it off in a minute. I'm guessing the water is going to take the same amount of time. So let's see. So we'll sit there, and then after a minute it should just buzz. So there you go, your water is pretty much done. See, that is your water done, and we're not even 3 minutes into the video. Right, so that should tick down. And then say, okay, I want to switch it off. I press that, and then it just says heat. So hope you've enjoyed that one. Let me know if you want me to cover more features on this. Guys, it's me again. I thought of ending the video there, but I thought, why not let you know, not just to rave about it, let you know what the shortfalls are. You might find another video in my channel where I've titled as what you need to know before you buy a Bosch Induction Hub. That pretty much stemmed from the fact that you actually need pans that need to have these conducting sides at the end. Otherwise it's not going to sort of generate the heat and move the heat around. And also because this is one of the lowest model, it's not going to give you the best experience all the time. So if you're using a pan this size and you're cooking for 2 or 3 people, that's fine. But if you're making a big meal, let's say Christmas is coming up, and then you're gonna rely on this, you might find yourself a little longer. That's mainly because the watts on this is just 15 watts, and then the heat is it kind of just springs up like that. So it's not even spread, so you need to make sure you're using the right type of pans, and you're always in the right setting. Make sure you utilize the timers, and try to sort of cook with the bigger side as you can. So I tend to use these two, and those are just for like small time items. But yeah, so there are downsides to it, but the upsides are far more bigger than the downsides.